Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing how to find your passion.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these moms.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important to shift your mindset from a negative mindset, possibly a fixed mindset, to a more positive mindset, a growth mindset. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up for the algorithm so we can reach more people. So I'm going to leave the videos that I got this information from in the description below. So definitely go check them out. The reason I'm making this video is because I am currently helping my client be able to find her passion. And as you know, if I haven't said it already before, I feel like I do, but I continuously educate myself in all areas of mindset and confidence, self-sabotaging beliefs and habits, and limiting beliefs. Also, when it comes to your passion, I'm constantly getting information from it. Let's dive into it. The first video I watched, he discussed how your dopamine, where you get it from, is very important. So he said the reason why a lot of people struggle to find their passion is because they are getting their dopamine from consumption instead of creativity. And consumption means things like your cell phone, like electronics, watching Netflix, Hulu, going on social media, things like that. And then creativity is like building a house, doing photography, making videos, painting, drawing, just being creative in some way. And so because you're getting your dopamine from consumption, it's making it harder for you to actually spend time on something that may be more difficult, just because it's so easy to get your dopamine from these things that you consume. It makes it harder for you to get your dopamine from creativity. So he recommended that you lower the amount of dopamine you receive through consumption, like drastically, so that way you can start to focus on your creative side. It's something that you have to do first, and something that you have to do in order to be successful in finding your passion. Once you reduce the amount of dopamine you receive through consumption, that's when you go into the next step. And the next step is to find different things that you can try out. So look up different hobbies, and he literally said you can type in, list of hobbies, and a bunch of different things will come up. You look through the list and you choose out of that list different things that seem intriguing, or just something like, you know what, why not? Why not try this? And he specifically said to try one at a time and give yourself enough time with each of those hobbies to see if they can actually become a passion of yours. I have my notes right here. Make a list, and different things will be on there, like animation, photography, videography, painting, drawing, building a fence, like different things like that. He said if you follow step 1, then naturally, if you choose one of these things that are on the list of hobbies, like animation, then you'll try it out, and you'll look up different things, different videos, just different articles about animation, and really dive in and learn it. The reason why you have to lower your amount of dopamine that you're getting through consumption is because you're now going to replace it with trying out different things to see if they're your passion, and that's what's going to fuel your dopamine. And if you find that you are just not interested in what you've chosen, just keep trying and going down the list and see which one you feel can really be your passion and you really enjoy. And if you find that you don't like anything on the list, then go back and reduce your dopamine intake that you get from consumption. Reduce it even more, because that is what's getting in the way of you being able to actually enjoy those things. And this is the thing, is that the different things that you're going to try, they're going to be hard, and naturally our brains don't want us to suffer. And if we're struggling to do something, or if we're getting frustrated, then we're going to want to do something easier, because our brain is telling us, like, I can't do this, there's no point. But there is a point, and you can do it. It's just that you need to push past your brain saying, like, I can't do this, or I don't want to do this. It's very simple if you make it simple. Everything in life, that's what I learned during this. I joined this virtual seminar, and I learned that things are simple. It's just humans make things complicated. And I completely understand and agree with that. Yes, there are some things that are just really difficult, but there's a way to simplify a lot of things. So do your best to remind yourself, like, this is not hard. It's easy. I'm making it harder than it needs to be. So let me just try to refine it, retune it to see if I can do something different to make it easier. And just because it's not easy doesn't mean you should stop. You have to challenge yourself. It's very, very much necessary. So on the second video, she was discussing, I believe her name, I don't remember what the first video was called, nor do I remember the name of it. Again, it's going to be in the description below. Comment down below if you have found your passion or if you are struggling to find your passion. So this woman's name was Emma. I don't remember her last name, but her name was Emma, and she said to ask yourself 3 questions. So the first question is, what skills do you want to be using and you enjoy? And just find where they meet. So they may not be exactly the same. The things that you're actually wanting to, the skills you're wanting to use and the skills that you actually enjoy may not be exactly the same, and that's fine. But see where exactly they meet and use that to your ability. The second is, what do you want to get out of work? So do you want to make a difference? Do you want to have a positive impact on the world? Control of your workload? Things like that. And the third question was your work environment. What kind of work environment do you want to be in? These questions are going to help you be able to decide what kind of job that you would like. And she also said that you don't have to choose just one, and I completely agree with her. She used the example of dating. When you go around and you date different people just to see who you actually like and can see yourself spending your life with, then that's one that you choose. Whereas nowadays, or not nowadays, just overall, people usually either choose something that they're good at, so it's just like, why not, I'm getting a paycheck, or it'll be like, oh well, it was the first job and I need to get paid, so I'm not even gonna bother looking for anything else. You don't have to just do one. Or you can do something that you enjoy but you're not really passionate about, and then follow your passion with something else. And she said to make a decision based on knowledge and experience rather than assumption, hearsay, or expectations. So just make your own choice and don't think on it too hard, but always be mindful. And if you enjoy it, truly enjoy it, and it's something that you can see yourself doing for the rest of your life, do it. And if you're doing it and then you realize, oh, I don't want to do this anymore, don't stay just because, oh, you need to pay the bills. Figure out a way to make it happen, and just follow your heart and follow what energizes you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, comment down below if you have found your passion, or if you're currently looking for your passion. And also make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm, and share with your family and friends if they're struggling as well to find their passion. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I am a mindset coach and I do one-on-one coaching. If you're interested, go check out my social medias or my website so that way you can set up a connection call, so that way we can see what it is that you need help on or guidance on, and if what I offer can actually help you get you to where you want to be. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night. Whenever you're watching this, thank you so much for your support. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.